Namaste, Javians. Pushro Bhitia. I'm Javian Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Today I will discuss about the topic statistical design of experiment. This topic belongs to the subject uh, research methodology and biostats for the B Pharm 8th semester students. Now we come to the quality in Japan. Japan restarted their economy by manufacturing inexpensive, low quality goods. By the mid 1970s, Japanese car makers Toyota and Honda began entering the US market with a small, inexpensive car, the Corolla, the Civic, and Datsun. By the mid 1980s, people began to realize that these Japanese cars outlasted American cars by the factors of two or more. American cars were worn out by the 50K and to 75K miles. While many Japanese cars latest over 1 lakh miles. So why? According to W. Edwards Deming, W. Edwards Deming was an American who learned statistical technology from Walter Seward of the Bell Labs. He applied his learning first in the Department of Agriculture and later in WWI. After the war, he was sent to Japan to help the Japanese with their census. He stayed on at the request of Japanese Union of Scientists and Engineers to help Japanese industry with statistical techniques. Because of his work in improving the quality of Japanese industry, the Japanese Quality Award in name the Deming Award. Now we come to the according to the Genichi Taguchi was initially trained as a textile engineer. After WWI, he joined the electrical communication laboratories of the Nippon Telegraph or Telephone Corporation, where he came under the influence of W. Edward Deming in 1954 to 1955 was visiting professor at the Indian Statistical Institute, where he was introduced to the orthogonal arrays, which becomes the foundation of his later work. He finished his doctorate in 1962 and became a professor of engineering and Ioma Gakuin University, Tokyo, were consulted with industry propagation, what became known as Taguchi method. So now we come to the method of Taguchi, offline quality control. Use experimental design technique to both improve a process and to reduce output variation. Need to reduce process sensitivity to uncontrolled parameter variation. The use of controllable parameters to recenter the design where is best fits the product. Example, internal combustion engine, cylinder and piston. Orthogonal array methods, not new from Taguchi, wide statistic literature on the subject. Taguchi make it accessible to engineers and propagate a limited set of methods that simplified the use of orthogonal arrays and design of experiment. DOE is primarily covered into section 5, process improvement of NIST and ESH. So now we come to the outline of the experiment. First one is introduction and design of experiment, basis and full factorial design and simple example, 2N design and single factor and 2-factor plots. Fractional factorial design array. Why the statistical design of experiment? Choose between alternatives and selecting the key factors affecting a response modeling to hit a target, reduce variability. Maximize or minimize a response. Make a process robust. That is, the process gets the right result even through there are uncontrollable noise factors. Seek multiple goals. Design of experiment goals. Build a model of a process of efficiently control one or more responses. Be able to adjust controllable parameters to obtain one or more desired responses. Example of parameters: temperature, controlled and uncontrolled, and pressure, gas mixture, material, and voltage. Example of response goals: yield and defect density, variation in thickness of a layer, composition of a layer, and speed. Now we come to the process scheme. Process scheme are uncontrollable process and process. So the find out the response and design parameters is exert to the process parameters and reflect to the response. How do you efficiently measure the response of process to the various controllable inputs? Now we come to the assumptions. Are the measurement system capable for all of your responses? Are your process and is stable? Are your responses likely to be approximately well by simple polynomial models? Are the residual, the difference between the model predictions and actual observations, well behaved? Do they follow a normal distribution? Outline, introduction, and design of the experiment. A test for the test combination, and what is to optimize the defect density. Defect density for the full factorial 3 square. All possible combination of the variables are used to the various runs. Example 3 square polysilicon growth. What is the responses that we are trying to improve? There may be multiple responses which complicated the experiment. What factors may influence the responses? And temperature for the circuit and particular piece of the equipment for the manufacturing. So this is the complete protocol for this session. This session powered by the digital version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, and hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box, and I will resolve your problem by the problem resolving class. Thank you, students, and thank you for the listening.